Is it time yet? Is it time yet? Oh, I'm so excited. Is it time yet? Steady, girl, steady. I get excited about these things. Is it time yet? Is it time yet? It's time. Yay! We are announcing our 200 subscriber appreciation giveaway. And there's gonna be 2 winners. Yes. And I've tried to make the boxes as equal as possible. And the boxes will contain makeup bags, makeup tools, serum or cleanser, lippies, shampoo, lotion, eyeshadow, mascara, eyeliner, highlighter, facial masks, hair products, and bath product. We hope you like what is in the boxes, and Anne is now going to tell you all the nitty-gritty. I'm tired from all this excitement. I'm going to take a nap. You and your naps. Thank you everyone for supporting our channel. Catch you later. So as we stated, this is the 200 subscriber appreciation giveaway. It will run from noon Pacific time on Tuesday, September 5th, 2023 until 9 a.m. Pacific time on Wednesday, September 13th, 2023. There will be 2 winners. The winners will be announced in a separate video after September 13th, 2023. The winners will then have 3 days to respond by email or direct messaging to me on Instagram with their mailing address. If a winner does not respond in that given time frame, they will forfeit and another winner will be chosen. You should be subscribed to my channel and leave a comment below on this video as to what you like about my channel. I thought you were taking a nap. I was. She means our channel. Although technically it's mine. Go back and finish your nap. Okay. See ya. You must be 18 years of age and live in the U.S. or have a U.S. address to qualify to win a giveaway from this channel. You must live in a state that allows you to participate in giveaways. It is the winner's responsibility to know what their state allows. Any giveaway that I provide to my subscribers is not associated with or endorsed with YouTube or Instagram or any other social media platform. Giveaways are not associated or endorsed by the brands provided in the giveaway. I'm not responsible for any allergic reactions to products that the winner might incur. It is the winner's responsibility to patch test prior to using items. I'm not responsible for lost or damaged packages or items provided in the giveaway. It's the responsibility of the giveaway winners to provide correct current shipping address when they initially reply. I will never ask a winner, or any subscriber for that matter, to provide me money or personal information other than name and address if you should win a giveaway. Any addresses collected for giveaways will be via private email or Instagram direct message, which are going to be listed both below in this video and in the announcement winning video. I'm not associated with any third-party group that might try to contact you trying to impersonate me. Please do not give out money or any information to these types of groups. Please be aware of scammers. Unfortunately, they're out there. If you have a question as to any of the rules for this giveaway, or if you think you might have won and you're not sure, contact me via Instagram direct messaging or via private email. By entering this giveaway, you attest that you meet and agree with all of the requirements as I have described. And good luck to everyone!